Sarasota, Florida. It's a really neat place to spend your time and your money.
And a great place to live.
There you go. There you go. I love it.
Love that.
We're getting dive bombed here. Kathy, here we are in St. Armands Circle. And I don't want to say anything, but this guy doesn't have any clothes on.
Don't look. It's inappropriate for children.
Welcome to another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. And here we are in Sarasota, downtown Sarasota, by the boat docks. The LaBarge cruise is going out. They got the guitar going. Everybody's dressed up. They're going
It's party time.
It's party time down here in Sarasota. But we've come to Sarasota today to check out St. Armands Circle. And it's
beautiful historic part
beautiful,
of Sarasota.
Really nice. We're going to be going across the John Ringling Causeway, and we're going to tell you a little bit about the history of this area, and then what we're going to be doing is showing you some of the hot spots there, some of the nice restaurants,
maybe some ice cream,
so maybe some of the ice cream places,
some of the boutiques. It is a gorgeous area to walk around.
And there's a circus history going on here that we're going to take you through as well. So let's get into it. Here we are from Sarasota, Florida, checking out St. Armands Circle.
Yeah, come along with us. It'll be a good time. St. Armands Circle in Sarasota, Florida is a vibrant, upscale shopping and dining destination with a European flair, set on a tropical island near Lido Beach. Here are the top 5 things to do based on its unique offerings and visitor experiences. You can shop at upscale boutiques and galleries, explore over 140 independently owned shops, from high-end brands like Burberry and Lilly Pulitzer to unique boutiques offering handcrafted jewelry, art, and souvenirs. The circular layout, inspired by circus magnate John Ringling, makes strolling through the lush courtyards a delight. Don't miss the art galleries or the quirky gift shops for one-of-a-kind finds. There's also wonderful dining at world-class restaurants. Enjoy a meal at iconic spots like Columbia Restaurant for Cuban cuisine, Café La Europe for continental dishes, or Crab and Fin for exquisite seafood like Gulf Golden Tilefish. Sidewalk cafes offer alfresco dining with a lively atmosphere, perfect for lunch or a romantic dinner. Come and relax in the Circus Ring of Fame Park. Visit the Central Park to see the Circus Ring of Fame, honoring over 140 circus legends with bronze plaques and wagon wheels, reflecting Sarasota's Ringling heritage.
Oh, interesting, Kathy. This is all the...
Yeah, these are the performers.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. So all the Ellie Ardelti, Hubert Castle, he was on the tight wire, James Bailey, foremost circus manager of all time, began his career as a bill poster. Bill Cap Curtis, he was the legendary figure of the circus. So these are all different people here that they're paying tribute in this beautiful circle. And, keep in mind, this is coming back from major flooding. And what you can see is around the entire circle are all these beautiful tributes to the different people that were part of the Ringling Circus. And I guess in later years, they merged with the Barnum and Bailey Circus, which, by the way, was Connecticut-based, Bridgeport-based. A great museum up there. We got to go up there sometime and check that out and cover it. What was that movie that...
Oh, that was the one with Hugh Jackman.
With Hugh Jackman. What was that called?
I don't know. Man. It's excellent, though.
Great movie. So...
The Greatest Showman?
The Greatest Showman. That's right. Absolutely. So, yeah, it's good to see this is coming back. When you look at the pictures of what this circle looked like when the storm hit and the surge came in from Lido Beach, this was just covered. This was, you could float a boat right here.
Absolutely.
I mean, it was insane. So it's really good to see the town bouncing back. It's really quite amazing. But yeah, you see this, Kathy, look all the way across here, St. Armands Circle. What a beautiful place.
A little tip just to know is that parking is available in a 504 space garage. The first 2 hours are free, or free unrestricted spots on Boulevard of the Presidents. Wear your sunscreen and comfortable shoes, as the Circle is pedestrian friendly but very sunny. For event schedules, check the St. Armands Circle Association website. If you're staying nearby, Lido Beach is just a short walk away from the perfect day to night experience. Sarasota, located on Florida's Gulf Coast, has a rich history shaped by Native American heritage, European exploration, and modern development. Before European contact, the area was inhabited by the Tocobaga and Calusa tribes, who thrived on fishing and trade. Spanish explorers arrived in 1539, marking early European influence. Officially named Sarasota in 1856, possibly derived from a Native American term. By the late 19th century, Sarasota grew as a fishing and citrus hub. The arrival of the railroad in 1902 spurred growth, connecting Sarasota to broader markets. In 1910, Bertha Palmer, a Chicago socialite, invested heavily in land, modernizing agriculture and promoting tourism. Her influence helped establish Sarasota as a winter retreat for the wealthy. The city incorporated in 1913, and its population surged during the Florida land boom in the 1920s. Driven by developers like John Ringling, the circus magnate, Ringling's investments, including the Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus winter quarters, cemented Sarasota's circus legacy. The Great Depression halted growth, but post-World War II recovery saw Sarasota evolve into a cultural and arts hub with institutions like the Ringling Museum of Art and the Asolo Repertory Theater. Today, Sarasota is known for its beaches, art scenes, and vibrant downtown, blending its historical roots with modern tourism and a retirement community. St. Armands Circle, located on St. Armands Key in Sarasota, is a premier shopping and dining destination with a history tied to its founder, John Ringling, and earlier settlers like Charles St. Amand. In 1893, Charles St. Amand, a French pioneer, purchased 131 acres on the island for $21.71, fishing and farming the land. His name was misspelled as Armand, A-R-M-A-N-D, on deeds, which became the island's name. In 1917, John Ringling acquired St. Armands Key along with Lido and Bird Keys, envisioning a European-inspired shopping plaza and upscale residential community. Ringling's design for the Circle, which was laid out in 1926, mimicked a circus wagon wheel or European roundabout, with a central park surrounded by shops and radiating streets named after U.S. presidents, including Harding Circle, honoring his friend, President Warren G. Harding. To develop the island, Ringling used his steamer, known as Success, to ferry workers and famously employed circus elephants to haul timbers for the John Ringling Causeway, completed in 1926, linking St. Armands to the mainland Sarasota. The causeway's opening sparked real estate sales exceeding $1 million, a significant sum for the 1920s. However, the Great Depression stalled development, and Ringling donated the causeway to Sarasota County in 1928 due to the maintenance costs. The Circle remained largely undeveloped until the 1940s and 50s, when restaurants and shops began to open, including a gas station. By the 1960s, St. Armands Circle was thriving. It had elite shopping districts like Palm Beach's Worth Avenue. Today, St. Armands Circle is a tropical, open-air marketplace with over 140 upscale boutiques, galleries, and restaurants, adorned with over 30 sculptures from Ringling's collection and the Circus Ring of Fame honoring over 150 circus legends with bronze plaques. The Circle's lush courtyards, Italian statuary, and proximity to Lido Beach make it a unique blend of history and modern luxury. Despite challenges from hurricanes like Helene and Milton in 2024, the Circle has shown resilience, with businesses rebuilding to maintain its status as Sarasota's jewel.
All right, so as we come across the Armands Circle Historic District, we've got a little bit of fun music going on here.
Yeah, it's one of the best things about coming here.
Statue of Christopher Columbus. Man, this is just a beautiful place, and I love it. I love the St. Armands Circle at night. You know,
I do too.
It kind of really comes alive here.
And it's pretty alive today. I mean,
Yeah.
it is hustling and bustling, and the shops are full.
Turn right, Kathy. Do not go straight ahead.
Well, I was going to go straight ahead.
Simona Fashion Jewelry. You know, definitely not something we need to.
You don't think I need any more jewelry?
Well, I mean, need is such an interesting word.
That's what I
you know?
was thinking.
But look, this is a really interesting place. Now, in 2024, I forget the name of the hurricane. I think it might have been Milton. It really got damaged. The water was like in all these stores.
Oh, this place got decimated, and so it's wonderful to see how it's built up again. It's come back.
So it's good to see this has come back.
Yeah, this was awesome.
Obviously the stores. Now there's huge money here. I mean, this is a very wealthy area.
Yes.
A lot of condo buildings, a lot of vacationers.
Yeah, a lot of beautiful
You got the
homes.
beach. It's not that far from Tampa.
Yeah.
And this is the Venezia restaurant over here, and they seem to be doing good business right now.
Right.
But,
Grab a glass of wine, have some nice Italian food, and you're good to go.
Yeah,
Very popular.
a little bit of a line to get in. Let's just go around the corner here and see what we've got over here. There's Columbia Restaurant. That's the one that has been around since 1905.
One of the originals.
One of the original restaurants. Actually, I think
Restaurants
supposedly the oldest restaurant in
in the
Florida.
Tampa area.
Is that right?
Oh, in all of Florida.
I think so. I think it might be.
I will look that up and see what I can find out.
It's hopping pretty good. We'll go around this way here. All right, Kathy. So what are your thoughts of this place? I mean, compared to, let's say, a Marco Island, this feels bigger, much bigger.
This is tremendously bigger, and it's near a more populated area. I mean, as you said before, Tampa is just up the road about, 45 minutes or so?
Yeah.
But I just love the vibe here. The street musicians out playing, entertaining everybody at every turn of the corner.
Right.
These gorgeous restaurants. There is something for everybody here. Beautiful date night if you're close by, and if you're thinking about visiting this west coast of Florida, this has to be a must stop, whether you're here for a week or a weekend, or you're in the Tampa area and you come down for a day, you will not be disappointed.
Oh, I agree with that. And this whole vision that John Ringling had,
Really something.
he never actually was able to see it come to fruition, my understanding. He passed away.
Before it all happened, but he was the mastermind behind the entire design, and how he knew the wealthy would come from the north to want to be down here in Florida.
Now we got some
history. You see John Ringling Street.
Oh
right
yeah,
there.
yeah, John Ringling Street, and we've got a lot of statues over here.
Yes.
So now across the street over that way is that Crab and Fin restaurant, which I think our friends Greg and Helen, they have a place here, or did.
They did.
I think before they moved to South Korea.
Yeah.
And that's their favorite restaurant here.
Yes, it was.
Right? That was definitely their favorite restaurant.
Yeah, this
So-
is a fabulous place to be. I just think if you are here,
Look at the name of
Yeah.
this place.
what?
I love candy.
No, I know. Who doesn't?
And ice cream. So what were you saying?
I was going to say this is a must-visit location, destination. Date night, weekend, a week, there's something for everybody.
Yeah. There's a sports
Yeah. A little
memorabilia,
shop.
photos, and all kinds of good stuff in there. Yeah, so Crab and Fin, right over here.
Yeah, there's high-end restaurants, there's affordable restaurants. Again, it runs the gamut.
Yeah, a lot of ice cream too.
Well, you need ice cream in Florida.
Sure, absolutely. So, yeah, here right behind me, this is Crab and Fin over here. They've got outdoor seating. Interestingly enough, Kathy, a lot of seating here at Crab and Fin. Wonder what's going on.
I think it's possible.
'Cause, some of the other restaurants were they were hopping a little bit more. But
Well, this is more expensive.
maybe that's what it is.
This is
Maybe
a little bit higher end.
they might have priced themselves out. Who knows?
I think they're doing just fine.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to keep going around the circle here.
Gonna fly away, go a million miles, and take a holiday where I can hide a while, and where the crowds are gone. I'll hear the siren song saying, "Here, a life like this, you can do no wrong. A life like someone told me I'd never see, where the sun shines like sugar, there's no sting from the honeybee. Gonna fly away, but I'll be gone. Gonna find a life like this, where I belong."
All right, well, everyone, thanks again for watching another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. And hopefully you've learned a little bit about Sarasota, Florida. It's a really neat place to spend your time and your money.
And a great place to live.
There you go. There you go. I love it.
Love that.
We're getting dive bombed here. But that's it. You know, everybody's super friendly here, super happy, and probably getting some big credit card bills at some of these
That's all
restaurants
right. They're
too.
living the good life down here in Sarasota, Florida.
So next time you're in Southwest Florida, is this Southwest Florida?
Yeah.
I guess it is Southwest Florida. Check out St. Armands Circle and Sarasota. It's a great place. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care
Thanks
now.
for sticking with us.
Bye bye.